Just looking at blowdowns end of the Crystal Falls Trail. A lot of new stuff blowing down up through here. Let's see. All pulled out by the stump. And we've had volunteers in cleaning stuff up, and they've cut up what they could here. Some of this is quite large, so they've done what they could, but as one person expressed to me, they don't make saws this big where he shops. And we've got some new stuff down across here. And this has been compounded. I mean, we did have some blow down in here, but certainly not gotten any better. The last few remaining trees sort of thing have come down. A lot of overhead stuff in here. I think we're due for stuff up over the trails. Got a lot of blow down here. We're probably due to come in and see what we can't do to tune it up. Most of it's out by the stump. You see there's a lot of stuff hanging up over, well over top and overhead. A quick peek down. Not too bad here. The last little bit of snow, or to the falls. A lot of stuff jammed up in the brook here. And because of this and the earlier power line slash, as you can see, we've got a lot of stuff here that isn't really a good idea from a fuel perspective. So I think it's probably time to come in and try and clean up along the trail. Yeah, sort of to get, keeping in mind what a beautiful spot it really is. See what we could do with it. Even if we can just get some of this stuff here right adjacent to the falls back a ways. The old compounded with the new, she's quite a scene. There's a waterfall.